Is everything all right? Chimezi, what's going on?
Please. I don't just need your disturbance now. Okay? I'm not in the mood to talk. You go.
Have I done anything to you?
I was told how you brought your friend to this house. And she fought my brother's wife. Yes.
Okay,
please,
so...
I don't just want to talk.
Well, you have been told. And you did not bother to ask me? So you can at least hear my side of the story.
Hey, were you not told that I don't ever want to see you in this house again? Yeah? Eh? I was told what you said the last time you came here and how you fought my brother's wife. You are one of those people that deceive my wife.
No, darling.
I'm sorry.
See, Ogadi, listen to me. I don't ever want to see you here again. Turn back and leave this place now.
Why?
Hey, shh. I am not talking to you.
But you know Ogadi is
I
my
am
friend.
not talking to you.
Why are you saying these things to her?
Listen, next time I will hear that you visit her again, that will be the end of this marriage. Are you still standing there?
Don't worry, my husband. Ask me to throw her out if she doesn't want to leave. You are not that. He said you should leave. What are you doing? Are you mad? Leave and never come back. Dude, you're not ashamed of yourself to step your stupid foot in here.
Please, let me
What brought you to this compound again? Don't you have jobs? Get out! Leave! My friend, please. Why would I push her? She's a witch! Get out! I don't understand what's going on.
Get inside the house.
Only if I want to get her. Let's marriage and